Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. In this video, we'll discuss the question answers and back exercises of the second chapter of 7th class computer charts in Excel 2016. So let us start the video, but before that, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let us see which is the first question. First is multiple choice questions. Which of the following is not a type of chart? And the answer is moonlight chart. Next, which of the following means y-axis? Y-axis means value axis. Third one, which of the following are the two tabs that appears after creating a chart? And the answer is design format. Which type of chart shows trends in data at equal intervals? Line chart. Clear? Now next is fill in the blanks. Hints are given in the box. So first blank is a dash chart displays the data in the form of rectangular bars. Bar chart. A dash chart shows the relationships among the numeric values in data series as one series of xy coordinates, xy scatter. Dash represents the bars, lines or slices that represents data values into create a chart. Data series. To create a chart, dash tab is used, insert tab is used. Next is true false. The chart does not change with the change in data range. False. It changes with the change in the data range. Legends helps the user to identify the data series. It is true. 3 tabs appears on creating a chart on the worksheet. False. You cannot move the chart from one sheet to another. Again false. Next is match the columns. So you can see I have already matched it for you. You can note it down. Chart area matches with the total area of the chart. Plot area, the region of the chart in which the data is plotted. Data points, the different points that are plotted on the chart. Category axis, the horizontal axis or the x-axis, and value axis is the vertical or the y-axis. Now we come to the question answers. First question is, what is a chart? The graphical representation of data is called a chart. What are the steps to create a chart in Excel 2016? So what are the steps? I have made the steps in points. The steps to create a chart in Excel 2016 are: number 1, select the data in the worksheet whose chart is to be created. This is the first step. Second step, click on the insert tab. Third one, click on the type of chart, column or bar in the charts group. A drop down menu appears. Next, click on its desired subtype of chart. The chart will appear on the worksheet. Now next, write the steps to move the chart from one sheet to another. The steps to move the chart from one sheet to another are: click on the chart, click on the design tab, click on the move chart in location group. The move chart dialog box appears. Select the desired option from new sheet or object in a confirmation box appears. Click on the yes button to move the chart to an existing sheet. Click on the OK button. The chart will get shifted to the desired location. So these are the steps. Next question. What are the steps to change the type of chart currently on the worksheet? The steps to change the type of chart currently on the worksheet are: select the chart, click on the design tab, click on the change charts type option in the type group. The change chart type dialog box appears. Click on the all charts tab and select the type of chart you want to insert on the worksheet. Click on the OK button. The type of chart currently on the worksheet will be changed. Next one is competency based question. Debolina wants to know the difference between the bar chart and pie chart. Answer her query. So I have made the differences like this: bar chart on one side and pie chart on the other side. First difference is a bar chart displays the data in the form of rectangular bars, and a pie chart is in the form of a circle divided into parts. Next point, a bar chart is helpful when we want to compare different items, and a pie chart is helpful when we want to show the percentage of a whole. So this was all for the chapter number 2. Very soon I'll be uploading chapter number 3 also. So keep watching, and if you find this video useful, please like and share.